find out.
How is it made?
Soft play.
To find out, I've come here to a soft play factory. They make lots of soft play items here. They come in different shapes and sizes, lots of different bright colours, and of course, they're all soft, even the floor. Let's see how they make the floor. Like all the soft play items made here, the floor pads start off with this. It's a material called PVC. It's really shiny, isn't it?
This is Sarah, and she's going to cut out all the pieces we need to make a floor pad. She starts by drawing a big square on the PVC. This will be the top of the floor pad. The square is then cut out. Listen to the sound of the scissors. Next, Sarah cuts out the bottom of the floor pad, and then the sides.
Once all the pieces have been cut out, they need to be sewn together.
And that happens here. Maria is going to use a sewing machine to sew all the pieces together.
Maria is sewing the floor pad inside out. She does this so when it's turned the right way out, all of the stitches are hidden and it looks lovely and neat. The zip here is where the filling is going to go inside. It's a bit like a bigger version of a cushion cover on a sofa. To make the floor pad soft and squishy, the skin is filled with a material called foam. There are lots of different types of foam, but this is the foam that they use for a floor pad. Can you see that when I squeeze it, it's soft and squishy? Let's use my special microscope camera to get a closer look at the foam. Whoa, look at that! That is incredible. Can you see that there are lots and lots of tiny gaps? Well, those gaps are actually bubbles of air, and it's the air that makes the foam soft and squishy, so it's safe to play and jump around on.
Before the foam can be put in the cover, Colin turns it the right way round. Look, now all the seams are hidden inside, and the edges look really neat. Now the foam can go inside the cover.
The foam has to reach every little corner, but Colin makes it look easy.